Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reveal the user folder in Finder on your Mac. If you find this helpful, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. So, maybe you're trying to access some specific files or folders in your user directory, but you just don't see it in Finder. No worries, here's how to fix that. Start by opening Finder. Then, in the top left corner of your screen, click on Finder in the menu bar and select Settings. A new window will pop up. In the Settings window, under the Sidebar tab, scroll down through the list of available favorites. Look for the option with your name. That's your user folder. Make sure the checkbox next to it is ticked. Once you've done that, you'll now see your user folder listed in the Finder sidebar. Just click it, and you'll have quick access to all your files, folders, photos, documents, and more. And that's it. Super simple, but really helpful if you need to get to those hidden folders quickly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Mac tips and tricks.